Nikon FE2 is a really great camera. One little quick trick, if you're not able to fire your camera, one thing you need to do is this has to be out like that. What it enables you to do is once this is out, you can fire, advance. When this is locked in, that is for when you have the power winder here, which attaches right there. And that only works when this is in. But, so if it's not firing, you gotta make sure that this is out. So quick tip, if now this is not advancing, it's stuck, and it's not firing, one little thing you can do, there's 3 screws, this is just a quick little tip. There's 3 screws, there's one here, one there, and one there. I'm gonna go fast through this. This pops off. So this right here, so see how this right here, so when I go to advance the lever, it's up against this. So what you can do to just sort of loosen it up is push right here, pull that back. Now it's past this little notch. So now you can wind the camera, and you might have to do that a few times. As many times as you really need to. Another little trick, you can get one of those cans of air and just blow air in here to get any dirt while you're advancing it, just in case there's something sort of stuck in there, old gunk. These cameras are old. And then once this is in, and now the camera should be able to fire. So once properly, what should happen is this right here should now be off of that. So when you go to advance it, it goes right past the lever. When you're good there, you just put the back on, throw in those little screws, and you are good to go. Sweet little camera. Hope that was helpful.